Hey y'all, it's the last day of school today. It's Friday, May 13th. Wow, ominous. But yeah, it's the last day of school, so I'm gonna vlog a little bit. How are you feeling for the last day?
I feel like it doesn't feel real.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Last day, oh my goodness.
Say hi, Mia.
Oh my god, just someone talk to your camcorder. Hey guys, so it's our end of year capstone party, and we have a lot of stuff on the menu. We have mini cupcakes. Who bought the cupcakes? Okay, well, no one else bought the cupcakes. Sam Nelson
Cupcakes just got here.
Sam Nelson brought chips and guacamole.
Mm-hmm.
Who brought the juice?
Justin.
Justin brought
Justin
apple juice. And you brought Capri Suns too? Madison brought Capri Suns. Harrison brought a fruit tray. No, wait, Justin brought the fruit tray. Landon brought these cookies. These are so good. I know everyone talks about how much they love
Those are
them.
kind of mid, to be honest.
Can you shut up? Who brought candy? Noah, right? Didn't Noah bring candy? Jennifer brought the candy. And who brought the big bag of like the big things of chips? Like the Brian and the Num brought chips. Sarah bought 2 things of soda, and I brought the utensils and stuff. And Sarah made a pie. So Sarah was really the MVP of the event.
She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go, way too fast and way too slow. She'll turn the stone.
Why are you so late? I don't know. I said I would be early, but I didn't. This is Jennifer. Aww. Why is there like a gap? Congratulations. Yay! 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 Oh. Yay! Hello?
So she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go, way too fast and way too slow. She'll turn the stone at hospitals and homes. And when the
What's up? Yeah, let's go. Say something. Hey. Yes. Carrie, stop taking
Is this the episode after the beach vlog? Is this gonna be the episode or 2 episodes?
2 episodes now. Do something.
I'll be waiting.
You went to all of them right when they come out first?
No,
he binged all of them.
I binged all of them.
Scream.
I'm done with them now.
Scream. Spray
Did she
tan.
get one too?
It looks so natural. How are you feeling for the last day?
The same.
Does it feel like it?
I made myself a to-do list of stuff I had to do because I need to write my grad cards, I need to pack, I need a grocery store first, I need to apply for a couple jobs.
What's been your favorite part of high school?
The kids.
No,
What?
not the kids. Kids are weird.
You just got our course. What was like your best part of high school?
Damn, that's a big question. My best part of high school? It was definitely like going places with everyone, you know?
To what?
Like going places with everyone.
Yeah,
like,
I
being out with
agree.
friends.
I agree. Friends was
I
fun.
don't think the actual class was the best part.
Yeah. Prom is gonna be so fun.
Exactly. The best part of high school is yet to come.
Yeah. Oh,
They
okay.
hoed me out of my AP card. I had to show them my score report.
Wait, why?
Apparently they just didn't have it on file.
Say your favorite part of high school.
Leaving.
What?
I want that sexy ass fucking card.
I did not reach my hours.
You didn't? No. This is embarrassing as NHS treasurer. I could have gotten you there.
No.
He got you.
I should have known better, bro.
His dad joke.
Say your favorite part of high school.
My favorite part of high school? I don't know. That's like pretty hard.
Because I got a lot of different memories from each year. I gotta say, this year, EMT, lunch, literally
He's
lunch,
not in
bro.
our class.
I'm not even in EMT, but alright, I got opposite, so I'll go to A lunch. I'll go sit with whoever the fuck I sit with there. I go to B lunch, sit with this motherfucker and everybody else. And I go to C lunch and chill with these two right here. recording.
Yeah.
I gotta say, lunch is my favorite part.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Sounds like some elementary school kids.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Shut up.
Okay, if you want to be
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years, I don't know, that's a tricky question. Bro, hopefully somewhere with this.
Okay.
Hopefully
Okay.
Oh.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Home.
What? These are bad answers. How dark did you go?
I went medium. My hands are kind of out.
Say what your favorite high school memory was.
Making it to playoffs!
Yay! Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself being besties with Jocelyn.
Oh, that was the best answer yet.
Is that where you see
I
yourself
said
in
being
5
besties
years?
with Aria.
And we'd graduate. And hopefully we will like decide where we want to go with our futures.
Wow, look at this answer. Y'all should learn from this.
Home can be a lot.
Go get it. Hey, Yaya, what's your favorite high school memory?
You didn't do it.
Of all high school?
Of all high school.
Oh my goodness. There's so much to do.
That's what I'm saying.
Come back to me.
What's your favorite high school memory? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Oh yeah?
Hopefully married. Oh, okay. What's your favorite high school memory?
This.
What?
cool.
Ew!
Yes,
that's
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
want to do it though.
Here, I climb high.
Oh my gosh. Riley, Gracie, what are y'all's favorite high school memories?
Leaving.
Wait, someone else said that.
What?
Oh, Niraj said that.
Graduation.
What's yours?
My favorite.
Okay.
My favorite part of my favorite high school memory was getting a scrape on my car in the parking lot.
What? Okay.
Getting her truck or her
Acura. No, the Acura.
Go to the slaughterhouse. Any of the above.
What?
in the SUV.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Probably did.
Okay.
Maybe like at the doctor or something. I don't know.
Okay. Wait,
Are you
what?
hospitalized or like
Where do you
working?
where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I said.
Oh, you said here. You said here.
That's
Forever. I'm a Bearcat forever.
So, what was your favorite high school memory?
My favorite high school memory? Warlow's class, like throwing goldfish in his lamp.
Okay. And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Now I know my favorite.
I see myself owning a multi-billion-dollar business.
Oh, okay. Why stop there? Trillion.
Okay.
Oh yeah. You know, it's actually my dream.
Bezos.
When I was 5, I wanted to be a trillionaire.
Okay.
Be the first one.
Okay. And what was your favorite high school memory?
When I saw Cohen Walker almost kill somebody.
What?
Yeah.
What's the story?
I was best friends with Conan Walker.
Yeah.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
What? Where I see myself in 5 years?
Yeah.
Sleeping. I don't know.
Okay.
Probably doing nothing.
Are you sad?
Well, actually, when it first kind of hit me, like,
When was it?
Making a walk
When was?
was like walking in, like this morning, I parked for the last time, like, you know, someone, of course, took my parking spot.
Of course.
And then, you know, I was walking in, and I was like seeing Climb High School and the thing, and I was like, yep.
Mine was at NHS that I got sad. He's not sad yet. Oh, and Carson said like, "See you in 6th period," and that was like the last time he'll ever say that.
Wow. How
That was
deep.
sad.
Last day being
I know. It's my last day coming. Like actually coming. No, come for the senior send off.
Yeah, you're coming?
What the heck?
30, that's early.
Dane.
What are you talking about? What?
Yeah, exactly.
You're not gonna go? May 20th?
Next Friday.
They're looking at anime.
They're a bunch of weeds.
Can you take one of me and Claire? Oh, that was actually gonna be really cute. Yeah, you have me for it?
Look at this.
Oh wait, that's good. Okay.
And
Since when did I get taller than you? Since never. I just slapped. That was funny.
she says it was like an inch. Who is taller? What was your favorite memory in all of high school that you went to? You need to
Like
answer.
October, November, December.
That's a time period. That's not a moment.
Is it? Let me think.
I don't know. I don't
Yeah.
think anything can top Warlords, bro. Breaking his graphics.
You know what? You know what's a cool
When always getting the wheel of the
It's
chair
when
and the
I
vent.
saw like all of them are like lined up holding up the sign saying like the Oh yeah, no, Hoko game was so fun. Like we're the fine freshmen at.
Alright, what is your
wait, where do I
5
start?
years? 5 years.
Like super successful.
Wow, that is so pretentious.
He's owning $1 trillion business.
Hey, I believe it. I just
Alina, what was your favorite part of high school?
Favorite part of high school?
Everything. What? Rebecca, what was yours?
Freshman mixer when we were freshmen.
For real? Okay, and where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I'll be going to PA school.
Okay, Rebecca.
Medical school.
Okay. Hey Garrett.
What's up?
What was your favorite part of the school year? This is Garrett, by the way. He's a junior.
Hi. My favorite part of are you recording?
Yeah, I'm
My favorite part of this year was meeting a bunch of new friends.
Okay, and where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Probably still in school because I'll be like graduating them.
Okay. Hey Sinu. What was I gonna ask? Oh, what's your favorite part of high school?
My favorite part of high school was definitely Jocelyn, guys.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, this is so hip.
Hey, say your favorite part.
Yes, you.
Bro, that's what I said. Why are they lying to you?
Okay, what was your favorite part?
Why are they lying to
Her
you?
favorite was
Not you.
Justin.
Every
What
day,
was it? What was
every
it?
day you're absent.
This is terrible. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? No, it's not tea. It's like giving a speech.
Oh, you have to give a speech.
In love.
Oh, whoa. Oh, she said getting married. What the heck?
5 years.
Wait, where do you see yourself in
In
5
5
years?
years, I see myself rich and with a degree.
Okay, that's what I said.
man, though.
Someone said that. POV, you're sleeping in class. Hey, what's been your favorite part of high school? What? Oh, okay. He doesn't like high school. Hey, Abdullah, what's been your favorite part of high school?
My favorite part was my club.
Okay, and where do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years. After graduating college, possibly, hopefully, like a job at Dell or HP or a big company.
Okay. What about you? What's been your favorite part of high school?
Gotta be the people.
Okay, and in 5 years?
5 years, 3 different options.
Okay.
I'm insane,
Okay.
I start a podcast,
Okay.
or I'm an IT guy.
What about you, Axel? What's been your favorite part of high school?
I don't know.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Oh wait.
Okay. Your favorite part of high Oh, this is Maha, by the way. What's been your favorite part of high school?
Honestly, stand leading.
Okay.
It was so much fun.
And then where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Hopefully in law school. I don't know which one, but one of them.
This is Ryan, y'all. What's been your favorite part of high school?
Not doing classwork.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years? Hopefully employed.
Y'all, this is Alex. Alex, say your favorite thing in high school.
My favorite thing in high school, it's hard. It definitely wasn't the stairs. I'll tell you that.
Okay.
But it would probably have to be helping in the office, the nurse's office. I really like them. They're really sweet.
Aw, and then where do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years, I'll probably be fresh out of college and trying to get my teaching certificate.
We love Alex. Oh, show your Letterman.
Oh, yes, guys, I got it.
Oh, wait, this is cute. I wish I got that.
Smiley face, discus patch.
Academic.
Yes, and then it says it here.
Here, and then we have Mama Bear. Malia, say your favorite thing about high school.
My favorite thing about high school is that as long as you look like you know what you're doing, none of the teachers will stop you in the hallway.
And then where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself graduating from college and going on to get my master's in something special.
Okay. John, your turn.
What?
What was your favorite thing in high school?
I don't know. I still got a lot. Latin class. TP.
Sophia's turn.
Hopefully in college.
My
But we
favorite
don't know.
thing was decathlon.
Good answer. And studying.
Like, somewhat. Like, I'm kind of missing it right now.
And then where do you see yourself in 5 years?
College.
Okay. Hannah's turn.
I love extracurricular activities. Also, like just friends from ROTC and academic.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years older.
Okay, there we go. This is Miss Breeding. Miss Breeding, say your favorite part about high school.
When I was in high school?
No, like, well, either, yeah, actually.
When I was in high school, my favorite part of being at school was running around the hallways with my friends, acting silly.
And then being a teacher?
And being a teacher is the kids.
Okay.
I love my students.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I would love to be living on a lake or a river somewhere.
That's really nice.
The water. Yeah.
That's Miss Breeding, y'all. Yeah. So this is Mr. Lawton. Mr. Lawton, say your favorite thing about high school these last.
About high school last?
Yeah, like of you teaching, yeah.
Of my teaching, just hanging out.
Yeah, like we're doing right now.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Oh yeah.
Right here.
Carson.
Like I'm not ready to face
Look at that.
Oh, even this.
Wait, Carson, can I have an Altoid? Oh, I'm not gonna miss that.
This is DP. DP, say hi to my camcorder. DP, say your favorite thing about high school. Or about like this Latin class.
Yeah, I don't know. They're argumentative.
In a nice way.
Played a lot.
In a good way.
Don't want to do their work.
In a fun way. Okay, and then say where you see yourself in the next 5 years.
Killing and believe.
Okay.
There's only been 4 years since she asked people to sign something. And she said she just wants our class to sign something. We're one of them.
What?
So she's picked us.
Hey, Reed. Say your favorite thing about high school.
Latin.
And then where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Yeah, go sign it, Bianca.
Okay.
She said she's gonna take it with her to Belize.
Oh, we already got you. Hey, say your favorite thing about high school.
Oh, high school? Probably just like playing sports.
Okay.
And, like, hanging out with friends. And then my favorite thing about this class is just the people in here and the friendships I've made.
Okay. And where do you see yourself in the next 5 year?
In the next 5 years, I see myself graduated with my bachelor's and going to law school.
Okay. Oh, I said shirt. Oh, the shirts are cute, y'all.
Here they are. One last ride.
I know, right? I'm signing the shark.
Shark time, baby.
Where are you?
I'm on the lip. Did you sign it, Justin? Woohoo!
This is Timotheus. Say your favorite thing about high school.
High school sucks.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Somewhere.
Okay.
I'll be in it too.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, no. Reed, what? No.
Oh! I'll be in it too.
Say your favorite thing about high school.
My favorite thing is homecoming dress up.
Okay. And then where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Rich.
Okay. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
What was your favorite thing about high school?
Klein girls soccer.
Oh, that's what Varia
Good
said.
answer.
And then where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Hopefully graduated.
Okay. Your turn.
Wait, what did I
Oh, your favorite thing about high school?
Probably the soccer team in playoffs this year.
Okay, and where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Graduated from UT and hopefully going off to grad school.
Okay. Welcome.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, let's do our picture.
Photo with all of us?
Photo time.
Who's gonna take it?
Yes.
Timotheus.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf.
Read!
Whoa, what are you doing? Whoa!
Okay, my memory by far is our sophomore year, Jessica the stripper story.
Mine was the pencil right there.
Oh.
Whenever like y'all threw it up and like that was like DP's last straw.
Yeah.
Good one.
You can't even see it.
Mine was when we were doing this like online worksheet and like the internet went down. Like DP thought that Carson like hacked the internet. It was like online, so we couldn't do anything about it. And DP was like, "It's all Carson."
That's so funny.
Mine was when like guy yelled at Bree.
Wait, what happened? Dude, our freshman year, there was like a senior that came in and Bree said to her like unhook his game, and he like cussed her out and called her the F word, and I think DP wrote him up.
Oh, that's
He's like, you don't cuss that lady.
Wait, remember that girl who used to come in?
Like, God, that we hated.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, she was like the lesbian
What did
girl.
you already call her?
Who are we talking about?
Oh my god. It was like Morpheus and Gladys.
I forgot about it.
Her name was Gladys.
No, that's what we called her.
No, I totally forgot. Oh my god.
Oh, wait, did he revoke the chair privileges on that big guy?
No, my favorite is like the jamboree for sure. We
Person you cheat and then like.
That was the highlight when he was begging. I was tearing up. I remember like watching him make a joke and he goes.
I'd be like, no, you need to call his mom.
My mom, everyone freshman year thinking I was like, there's no way DP's that kind of teacher. Yeah, I think my favorite memory is when we were throwing beanbags. Like we would play that game and throw it at the whiteboard, and DP told us to stop. And I told my kids, I was like, just throw one more. And she threw it at the whiteboard, and DP was just like.
No, one of my
One of the funniest
is
moments.
when they made, for whatever reason, like Mikhail run up the desk.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Oh, another good one was Carson one time asked her, he's like, DP, where does the last name DePedro come from? And she was like, my ex-husband.
That one time he got so upset because I bent the paperclip.
And you were like, she said she was gonna go into debt. I have a video.
No, I have a video of you, like, you were like just like throwing my Latin notebook like all over the classroom, and then you like opened it up to rip all these pages out, and you noticed like where I'd written, and you like quickly flipped, and I read. That was sophomore year.
I know. It is.
Oh my gosh, this is really sad.
She goes on her phone.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Wait, what is bye in Latin? I'm gonna cry.
Whoa, I got such a good one.
DP!
This is our last time leaving.
I'm gonna come on Friday, is that fine? Okay.
Class with you. It's been a I'm getting emotional.
Yeah, DP, it was
It's been a great 4 years, DP. I have no words. It's been great.
Wale DP. Okay, bye y'all.
See ya.
Bye Carson. Bye. Hey, say your favorite thing about high school. Okay, your favorite thing.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Probably going to the Klein Girls Soccer Games.
You came up with that yourself, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Does alive have to be the answer?
No.
Oh,
I know! How do you forget the map?
I don't know.
What? That's okay.
Probably being
A good
first year
engineer.
in my major again because I'm probably gonna
Switch.
hate it and change.
Change 5 times.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
That's what I'm supposed to say.
I'm
Long
so
time no
emotional
see.
walking out with Carson. Carson, look at that. So it was in fact the last day, but it was really good. I'm gonna keep seeing people and asking them about the questions.
What are you so dressed up for?
I had the Spanish speaking test.
Oh,
She
wow.
said if we dressed up like our person, we would get thoughtful.
Who are you?
Mark Anthony.
Like Mark Antoni?
Yeah.
Like Roman?
Not the Roman, no, the singer.
Oh, what? Technically our last day of school, but not yours. What's been your favorite part of high school so far? Like favorite memories?
I don't have anything. It's just sleep. I had this one good time where I slept for like 12 hours.
That's really nice.
And then I woke up and it was so nice.
And then where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Honestly, probably OnlyFans.
Okay. He's begging for a redo, so we're gonna give him a redo.
In 5 years, I do not know where I will be.
What? That's your redo?
Yeah, because I don't know. And I don't want to jinx
we're
it.
We're gonna keep the OnlyFans.
No, but what if I jinx it and now I'm
and then
screwed?
You won't be an OnlyFans.
No, and then I will be an OnlyFans. Because that's... Alright, now that you have left high school, what is the main thing that you have learned?
I have learned that it's important to work hard, but it's definitely important to play harder.
Uh-huh.
And that it's okay if change happens, like in anything, like in friends and grades, and what you want from life.
Okay, very professional.
Yeah, what can I say? Actually, that's what I've learned most in high school is like, you really can't please everyone, and sometimes you can't even please yourself. So, just try to make yourself happy.
Who is that?
I don't know, some random.
Oh, I know that guy.
Who?
I think he's in DP's Latin class. What was your best experience in high school throughout all 4 years?
Definitely like this year.
Really?
I like sophomore year a lot, but this year I really liked around Poco time. It was just like super carefree with all my friends, super easy. I liked it a lot.
What was your favorite year?
Either sophomore or senior year for sure.
Really?
But freshman year was really fun. I had like a different friend group, and it was just like so like freshman. I loved it. Just because I like.
Are you in Vortex?
No.
What is it doing?
Hey, say your favorite memory in high school. Oh, this is Niraj, by the way.
Good. My favorite memory in high school? Yeah, pretty dope girlfriend. I don't know.
Okay. And
Or state. State was pretty fucking fun.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In med school.
Okay. That's Niraj, everyone.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Okay, my favorite.
Alright, Jocelyn made me do this. She said my favorite memory. So, Jocelyn, what was your favorite memory of high school?
My favorite memory was meeting new people, and just like senior year state was really fun.
And then, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I'm super successful. Say your favorite memory in high school.
She's not even graduating, yo.
Graduating?
Oh, that's okay.
Wait, let me think.
Okay, I'll let you think. Wait.
What's my favorite memory in high school? How am I supposed to know?
Yeah, come on, help her, Niraj.
Yeah, help me. Give me some ideas.
Anything I can't.
Oh, Deca?
Oh.
No.
In high school, is that?
Yeah, that counts.
Okay.
Oh, was that it?
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Yeah, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Honestly, with a job or married.
Or both.
Or both.
Or
one of those.
Or neither.
I mean, you're gonna get married.
We're here they're setting up for Ape. Ape is tomorrow. Oh yeah, sorry. Say your favorite high school memory.
My favorite high school moment was when I peed myself.
No way. And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I said 5. 5 years.
Wait, what was it? I said 5.
Oh. Burying my cat probably.
Oh. Ashley, what about you? Favorite moment?
Favorite moment in high school?
Oh, you can say that and Jennifer can come over. First homecoming.
Okay.
Tiny straw. Tiny straw.
Oh my gosh, I forgot. She makes fun of my bottle.
No, my favorite high school memory is probably Disney trip or something.
Okay.
And where I see myself for 5 years, probably like in debt.
Okay, and you?
Favorite high school memory.
Oh, this is Anusha, by the way, if I ever forget. This is Grace, if I ever forget.
You're gonna forget about me in 5 years? You gotta give me like a minute.
What?
I don't know, probably Disney.
Okay.
Really fun.
And where do you see yourself in 5
Like
years?
any of the football games, or like something like that.
Basically everything.
Basically, yeah, like high school was fun. Like it wasn't bad.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I'm 18 now, I'll be 23. Probably like, hopefully med school.
We're gonna do a welcome to my crib while we wait. It's really not here. So this is the 3rd floor. This is before Abe. Tomorrow is prom. Here's
This
Abe.
is the 4th floor.
Here's pre-Abe.
Abe is about to be insane, y'all.
It doesn't look insane right now.
Can I wait to
Justin
stay up
with her
until
giant
5
ass
a.m.?
water. Yeah.
You gonna stop it now?
Yeah.
No way.
Try stop it.
Oh, your nails are so pretty.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Wait, what are you doing?
Wait, girls
I'm
can't
vlogging.
do again.
Public health. My mom's an engineer.
No, girls can't do
PHS?
This is Roz, by the way, if I ever forget. What's your favorite high school memory?
right now.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Huh?
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Why are you like not looking
Probably
at the
like at
camera?
UT.
Okay, what's your favorite high school memory?
Hanging out with my best friend Alex.
Ooh, denied. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Hanging out with your best friend Alex Sharp?
Still.
This is a UCLA reject. Alex, what's your favorite high school memory?
Going to the bathroom with Ian.
See yourself in 5 years?
Elon Musk's toilet cleaner, perhaps.
No, with
The silence. This is a new show.
How's Clayton?
Huh?
How's Clayton?
Can you? Hey, how's
Okay.
Let me tell you a story. So yesterday, Ian had to leave pop show really soon, and he wouldn't tell anyone why.
Okay.
Tell them why.
Wait, can I
Tell them why.
the truth? I went home with the intention of going home.
Tell them why. Tell them what happened.
I had it.
Tell them where Ian was last night.
Dude. Oh, here's the Mom's party.
You were with Shihan.
Dude, I didn't know. Okay. I didn't know they were doing that.
Did you have a favorite memory yet?
What's your favorite memory of high school?
High school?
And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
My favorite, I don't know. There's been so many. I guess getting buried in the sand.
Oh, that was cute. So, what do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years, I don't know. I see myself maybe hard labor, I don't know, jail.
Yeah, 9 to 5. Boring.
Jail for what though?
This is Fagoon.
In case you forget.
In case I forget.
Yes, in case you forget.
And show us your robot. Give us a tour.
This is basically the interface, right? So the user interface with the two controllers here. You see the camera. Not this
I
year.
like how it's like a PS4 controller. That's really fun. I feel like that's very robotic.
I'm a volunteer at 8.
I hate juniors who are volunteering at APE. APE is this fun senior event that they got juniors to volunteer for. Hey, give me tickets, give me tickets, give me tickets. It's a senior event. Get out of there.
Volunteering, right?
Okay, that's what they're gonna serve us. This is Chris. He's like an old friend. Oh wait, you can't even see. Alex, how was Ivy picnic?
Lame as. Hey, we got awards though. Wait, what is it?
Oh, what award did you get?
We got the Mr. X's Math Club Award.
That's lame.
HOA though. Miss Doll gave it to us.
HOA. Mr. X Math Club and HOA.
Oh, that's so cute.
Hey, what award should I get?
You get the drives your mom's car award.
That's the brown boy. Oh yeah, I did someone too. Ian drives his dad's car. There's a difference. Yeah.
Wait, is your
Oh, okay.
That was my dad.
Stepping up in the world.
It's his daddy's. My mom drives the Benz.
Oh, the Benz.
Ew, don't say that. It's loud. Hey Jaden, say hi. Do you remember Miss Hildebrand?
The house for what?
Wait, just show us.
No.
Oh, wait. You called her 4?
No! Go down. Where? Where'd you see that?
No, my message. Ew. Jason, what's your favorite high school memory? Oh, fun.
Is it lemonade, Emily?
I'm running dumb up.
You want to say something?
Crank it up.
Ew. Put a pen, put a pen.
We'll come back next year. Right, give me this too.
No, not the flask, no.
Hey, zoom in.
No. Let's go.
Who's that one
Emma Chamberlain?
No, the famous one.
David Dobrik?
David.
Logan Paul, Logan Paul, Logan Paul.
Sorry,
I'm Logan. Logan till I die.
Logan.
So let's set
the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.